Welcome to another round, round number 2 of this session. So, where I try to improve myself as a programmer. Today we will be doing 5 minutes of typing exercise, and after that, we will be improving our Java application for 25 minutes. That is. So, the page which I use to train my typing abilities is called Typing.io. I keep records. My best so far is 2% on 31 VPM in here. Yeah, so let's go. Let's go. Next lesson. I will start the timer. You can go. Oh no. I should also point out that the speed, since I have a new keyboard, is not as important for me as is the error rate, since I'm still getting used to where all the keys are. Oh, come on. So much to... Oh. I will persist. At least the music is nice. Hello, Swarm. Welcome to the channel. Yeah, it is. It is a page. It is free of charge. Well, the basic thing is free of charge. Exactly. Oh. Come on. Go, you can do it. I'm learning Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, and well, SQL if you count it as a language. Someone counts HTML as language too, so you can count that. I don't know anyone who would count CSS as a language, so we will skip that. But so basically it's Java and JavaScript. Currently I'm working on my Java skills. And I have like some applications which I wrote. So currently I'm improving them. It's like really basic stuff. Really basic stuff. Are you a programmer? Do you earn living by programming, Swarm? Or collective? I never know how to call people in here. Everything is new here to me. So I'm figuring everything out. Streaming for a few weeks now. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, so many type. Why? Why are you doing so? I program in many languages: C, C++, Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, TypeScript, Pascal, Haskell. Wow, dude, you're high level. You are very skilled. Do you have like some? You're old. Uh, you can use different words. You can use leveled. I reached high level in the human levels. Do you have like any advice for, or like maybe, well, you know, like, what do you think is best for learning programming? Oh my god, so many typos. That's unbelievable. I like to encourage anyone interested in programming to serve you well. What will serve me well, like... Okay, I will finish this and can't wait to read it. Oh, come on. Finally. Yeah, and this means that we are over with the typing part of this round. And the result is 11 and 24. So we will save it. 11 and 24. Here we go. And here's the gold. Is it anything? It depends on what you want to do with it. Earn living. However, for user interface, obviously web plus TypeScript is great. Who knows what will happen as WebAssembly becomes more commonplace. Yeah, no one knows, right? Server-side, Java and C# are very popular, but the more performance-oriented pulls you towards C and C++, and the more correctness-oriented will be highly structured like Haskell. Ah, yeah. Testing new keyboard. Oh, nice. Don't worry too much about your speed, especially at this stage. Just the fact that you are touch typing and building that muscle memory, that's what's important. Yeah. And given that you have chosen the technologies which you want to learn, what works for you best to, you know, like speed up the learning process, becoming the mastermind, the best, the helpful, the seeked after programmer? Do you have any tips? When are you streaming again? Oh, you're streaming. That's pretty neat. Haskell. Oh, very nice. Okay, no VODs. So I'll start the timer. Oh, thank you for the follow. I'm sure you will regret that later. But thank you. You're very welcome. What I want to do is create a list of the software logistics productive. Yeah. So still being more unsubbed. Well, you may be unsubbed, but you are a subscriber. Well, unsubbed. You are not unsubbed. You can still see the badge. I know, which is good for society. So we have the evaluation, the printing, which could be separated, and then we would have the main, which is chronological order of tasks to run. Yeah, he heard that people are unsubscribing from me, so I had to come. Throwing through science and technology or anything interesting to watch. Yeah. What? Why? Yeah. How? Why? I'm interesting. Why did you click on like me especially? Because there are like many. Was there something special about like the maybe visual site or whatever? Or is it that usually I do it like I see code so I click? Is that the same for you? What do I do? Oh, this is the test project. That's not what I want. Yeah, that's true. Oh, here we go. Catchy phrase, I guess. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing with my whole life? Okay, so you could even say that I and professional Great Bear have become close enough to call ourselves arch enemies. Oh, thank you, Great Beard. 9070. Thank you for the follow. You will regret that later, and will contemplate on the life choices you made. But you are welcome. May I recommend you that you learn to use the final keyword in Java. It will serve you well. Okay. Yeah. Most of the final things I have here. I moved them to separate file. Or do you see some like place where we could use some final things as well? And why it would serve me well? Why it is? Oh, there's a. Hello, Harsh. I told them to use type interface. G bars did not work. This will hurt in interviews. Oh, don't cry. C'est la vie. Inversion of control. Oh, there's a... No, thanks. Some learning to do later. What the fuck is that? How do I escape this? I cannot view the things. I have to register, really? I don't want to, like, register. Okay, good. Escaped helped. Inject, that looks like spring. DI, that was dependency injection, right? Yeah. What this means? I have heard it from many people. Don't know what it means. Such is life. Okay. Oh, hope so. Hope so. Yeah, that was what? Oh, yeah. So now I'm thinking about I decided to have all these variables which are kind of global, right? And I also have the constants file, right, where I have the static final thingy. So I just crossed my mind to move them in the same file and have it like the representation of the state of the entire application. So that's one thing I'm thinking about. Yay! Oh my god! Then we have printing and evaluation, right? Evaluation, printing, and also parsing the files, or maybe file operations. Could be like that. That's different functionality, right? That could be also separated. What do we have here? Alright, so we have always a bunch of prints. Then we have to writing things. General to do learn Haskell. Why should I learn Haskell? Prints. So I should learn Haskell so I can flip tables. Is that your reasoning? Oh my god. I have a lot of shit like outside in this static variables. Not sure if I'm. Oh, I can. It's static, right? So I can set it up from outside from another class as well. That should be okay. Yeah, so yeah, I just can move it and bye-bye. So where is it? We have the parse records file. This will be 6 and this will be how will I call it? How will I call it? That's the question. It will be file operations. File operations maybe not the best name, but I'm going with it. File operations, yes, edit. And then we'll go back to here. And I'll move you here to file operations, and we want that was ours. Yeah, so we have that, and also there was the save. No, right? Maybe what was it? Bunch of prints. Okay, so I will do this first. Leave it there, then I like to run it again to test it. So this still works. Cool. Now then the saving, we have write to record the file. Okay, I can do that. And that was file operations. There we go. What the hell? Emote event. Bye. Okay, so that is a little bit nicer. What? I thought that I did move you. I didn't. Oh, I did. Very cool. Oh yeah, those are the temporary things. Okay, cool. And in here, now we have the main. We have the evaluate. And printing. Get record file, that's file thing, so it will go to file operations. Go. Then we have all these print thingies. I don't want to move class. I want to move the printing. Oh, but I haven't created the. What it will be? Printing, print. It will be print. Output. Console print. It will be just print. Class print. Oh, yes. And here we wanted to remove. And this was print. And we want this. Cool. This looks better. No. From it. So that still works. Cool. Just refactoring. That's that. Then I'm looking here. So evolution, inputting, file operation. Okay, I think that's. Go. Change error code. Oh, the error code I did remove. So that's that, and here we go. And next thing is the week's best, month's best, which maybe I want to. Maybe I want to store as well and compare it. And I could have, it will say you are better than the average for past 7 days, or it could say you are, this is better than the best from past 7 days, and those two would be mutually exclusive. It wouldn't make sense otherwise to have them that way. So, holy crap! One more round, and we can go sleep. I will push this to production. I'll push this to production. So here's refactoring and okay. Come on. Here is emergent, I don't care. Refactoring is okay, so I don't have anything here to do, which is nice. So we will build artifacts. Build artifacts. Build. Then I will have a look in here. Looky look. Look here and here. And objects. Oh, come on. Project, typing trigger, out, artifact, trigger, so 6th evening, copy, and def, and here we have a typing tracker with our records, so I'll paste it in here. Yes, please. Okay, cool. "12 hours in between previous push to production." Dude. And also I don't want to drink tea or something like that because I wouldn't sleep then. So I can verify if it works, and then oh fuck. How fuck? Yeah. This is an error. It should not be here. Those print out better than blah blah blah. When I run it without parameters. So let's see what's happening. That's something which I did not test for. So we have a main and Where do I have the messages? It is in evaluate, right? And I got better. That was because, oh, it was, yeah, I know what you did. Anyway, this concludes our another round. So the second round is now complete. We are over the time and that means we are done, and it's better than perfect, and we will proceed to the next round. Bam.